You can buy anything online. No, really, you can literally buy anything online. You can find a lot of weird stuff out there, but every once in a while, a real gem of a product or service pops out of nowhere, often even gaining a bit of viral traction from people who share it on social media or write about it on blogs. Wondering what some of these things might be? Before we start, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to all of our channel content, as it really helps us come out with a new one every single day. Workaholic, too much excuses to exercise? Today, we got the cool new smart rope from Tangram factory. It's a futuristic LED jump rope that creates a mid-air floating display of your jump count right in front of you. It features 23 embedded LEDs in the rope to create a counter as it swings by, magnetic tracking sensors in the handle for accurate jump counts, and a mobile app that syncs with the rope to monitor and analyze your progress, and even compete with friends. Check out the video below to see it in action. Cool, huh? Price starts from $79.95. Weird enough? Love it? Purchase for yourself one now. Get it in the link below. Hey, what's up, weirdo? Hope you guys like the content prepared for you. We always put such a lot of hard work and dedication to produce one. Of course, this awesome content is free, but we expect you to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel as part of your obligation. Also, if you're interested and decide to buy the item you just watched, don't forget to use the link provided below, as it is part of our affiliate program that keeps this brilliant weirdo channel running. Do watch more of our videos throughout our channel. Every single support that you make really makes us a living, guys. Thank you very much. See you on the next video.